बहुत शुक्रिया. एक चीज मुझे याद आ रही है कि बहुत सी नसीहतें जब हम आपको यहाँ करेंगे भी तो जब अमली सूरत हाल होगी बिल्कुल मुख्तलिफ होगी. तो उसमें हिकमत से काम लेना है. हर शख्सियत मुख्तलिफ होती है, हर एक के साथ मामला डिफरेंटली करना होता है. तो सिर्फ लगी बंधी रटी रटाई जुमले और उसूल पेटेंट दवाइयां इस्तेमाल ना करें, बल्कि हकीकत हाल के साथ साथ. और जैसे अभी मैंने एक नुस्खा बताया था कि जहां मुश्किल आए अल्लाह के आगे सजदे में पड़ जाएं, हाथ उठा लें, और आप देखेंगे कि इंशाल्लाह कैसे आसान होती है.
Assalamu alaikum. There's a couple of reminders and pieces of advice. Marriage is a very emotional stage, and we've all learned that a Muslim should adopt the middle way, okay? And the Prophet ﷺ said that when he saw the women in hell, they were in hell because they weren't grateful for their husbands. And then we shouldn't go to the other extreme too, that, you know, you should place your husband above Allah and His Rasul. Remember that you're supposed to love the Prophet ﷺ and Allah the most. And my other piece of advice is, if you're going to America, वहाँ इतने मुसलमान नहीं मिलेंगे जैसे यहाँ मिलते पाकिस्तान में. And you have to remember that you can't be like them. ठीक है? Don't assimilate into their culture, into their society. Do not follow them. You have to be strong. And if your husband is out all day on the job, फिर आपको कुछ काम नहीं मिलेगा घर पर. When you go outside, you're going to meet a lot of people who are Musliman bilkul nahi hai. The only way to save yourself and your iman and keep your level of taqwa high is to teach. वहाँ बहुत Islamic centers होते हैं. You can teach once a week. You can teach the Muslim community over there. वहाँ जो पाकिस्तानी और Indian community होती है वहाँ, they're not even, you know, Musliman. और जो लोग वहाँ रहते हैं for a long period of time, they're not Muslim anymore. So please, you know, you've had this opportunity at Al-Huda for 1 year. Don't waste it. Don't lose it. You have to teach other people. Inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.